¡Hola! No me gustan los aviones de papel. ¡Silencio! ¡Por favor! Me gusta el silencio. Hola, estudiantes. Today we're going to talk about verbs like gustar. You remember gustar, right? You know that it doesn't behave like most verbs. Take a look.
Me gusta ese champú.
The way you would express this in English is, I like that shampoo. But the literal meaning of the sentence is, that shampoo is pleasing to me. Here's another example. This time in the preterite.
¿Te gustaron las clases?
As you can see, constructions with gustar don't have an exact equivalent in English. The literal meaning isn't to like, but rather to be pleasing to someone. So an indirect object pronoun is required. Remember the indirect object pronouns? Let's study this a little more carefully. The thing that is liked, ese champú, is really the subject of the Spanish sentence. The person who likes it, in turn, is an indirect object because it answers the question, to whom is the shampoo pleasing? Why don't we practice this? ¿Qué tal? So, how did you do? Here are some other common verbs like gustar.
Aburrir. Encantar. Faltar. Fascinar.
Faltar expresses what is lacking or missing.
Me falta una página.
And here are a few more verbs like gustar.
Importar. Interesar. Molestar. Quedar.
Quedar expresses how much of something is left.
Nos quedan 3 pesos.
Quedar also means to fit, and it can be used to tell how something looks on someone.
Estos zapatos me quedan bien. Esa camisa te queda muy bien.
The most commonly used forms of these verbs are the third-person singular and plural forms. When the thing being liked is singular, the singular form of the verb is used.
Nos encanta la película. ¿Te interesó el concierto?
When 2 or more things are liked, the plural form is used.
Me importan las vacaciones. Les fascinaron los museos de Lima.
Remember that to say what people like or don't like to do, use a verb like gustar followed by an infinitive. You use the singular form of the verb no matter how many infinitives follow.
Nos molesta comer a las 9. Les encanta bailar y cantar en las fiestas.
Time to practice. Maravilloso! Let's move on. Remember that if you want to clarify or emphasize who is pleased, bored, or whatever, you can add a plus a noun or a pronoun.
A los turistas les gustó mucho Machu Picchu. A ti te gusta cenar en casa, pero a mí me aburre.
Atención! The pronoun me has an accent mark to distinguish it from the possessive adjective me. Note that if there is more than one person, the a must be repeated.
A Armando y a Carmen les molesta levantarse temprano.
To review, you learned that sentences with gustar and verbs like gustar require an indirect object pronoun. You also learned that the thing that annoys you, bores you, fascinates you, or whatever is the subject of the Spanish sentence. The verb will be singular or plural to agree with the subject. A mí me encanta bailar. ¿Les molesta?